Hello, everybody. Back again, and we continue to be under lockdown. And this time we're going to talk about the whole business thing and look at various situations or scenarios and how do we really address them. I think first and foremost, if the lockdown is really impacting your business, the very first thing you need to really start already, I'm sure most of you are discussing also how viable is this business going to be in this scenario. And even when things get normal, how viable will it be? So the very first question, most of the leaders, most of the owners really need to address this and take a call accordingly. Number two, very, very critical thing will be the cash flow situation. Very important again to look at how the money situation is in the company, and then accordingly start taking certain decisions. Which brings me to the third point, which is where through the whole study of the cost part of it, we really need to look at the whole band of overheads that we have. Need to really take a very, very close look and really take a call on what we are spending on, whether we should be spending on that. The fourth thing that will be very important to again address is the wage bill. I think again for many companies, depending on their size, it could become very difficult to really carry on paying people while they are at a work from home mode. But as much as possible, like you also I'm sure must be reading, the cuts are happening at the leadership level, at the mid level, at the very junior most level. The cuts are being avoided. If one can avoid that, that's a great thing to happen, and if we can just manage the situation by that will be great. The fifth situation could be where you really get pushed to the corner and you have no choice but to really start cutting jobs. And again, in cutting jobs, it's very, very important how we really address that, how we really do that becomes very, very important. These are tough times, and in these times there's no fault of anyone. So whenever you're cutting jobs, do it in a very human manner so that people don't really get the feeling that, when things were bad, they were picked up and the jobs were taken away. But business is business. There are certain calls that need to be taken, and I'm sure those will be taken whenever a time arises. Couple of things what one could look at also is doing a temporary suspension of the entire operations, even if things are back to normal, but you feel we just can't really come back in full force. I think it's good to just, for time being, just give a pause and really get prepared to come back. The last option is, of course, of shutdown. If you think you've completely hit the wall and there are no other options but to shut down, I think do it again in the right manner, follow the law, ensure that everybody gets paid their dues, do the right communication. I think that is where shutdowns really, really become very, very important in such times. So I wish you all luck. I'm sure all of you are really going through really, really tough times, but I'm sure all of us will come back. So stay home, stay safe, and we will be back soon. Thank you very much.